Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We have one more confirmed case. This is the case of a person who travelled from Goa to Mumbai and back by road. So this person has come back from Mumbai and is confirmed positive. And he is currently in our quarantine facility. The person is from Goa, but the person had travelled from Mumbai into Goa. The person came back, he had gone to Mumbai to collect his family members. The family members, 2 of them who are there with him, are negative. There are 9 patients who are under treatment in COVID hospital who have been cured. So this brings our total number of active cases to 31.
Today we plan to send 4 trains. One to UP, which have already left with 1,628 passengers, one to Jharkhand, West Bengal, and another one for UP. So total 31 trains have left so far, with 68,897 number of people who left Goa since 29th April.